Oh, I just got news in my ears. And I suppose there's lightning.
All security personnel have initiated assembly.
Take a picture, take a picture.
What's up? Yo mga kapis, another day, another video na naman. So today's video, manonood na naman uli kami ng concert. Idol na lahat to, halos lahat. Post Malone, the biggest tour. Yun ba, tama ba? Eto, driving na kami. Papunta na kami doon. Pero ang gagawin namin, magpa-park lang kami, tapos magte-train na lang kami papunta sa stadium. Kasi mahirap ata mag-parking doon. Tsaka mahirap lumabas pag yung nag-uwian sabay-sabay. Traffic. Parang nung nag-KDs lang kami. Grabe, ang hirap lumabas, traffic. Excited na kami, syempre. First time na yung manonood sa stadium. Tsaka outdoor yung stadium. Yung pinaglalaro ng mga football.
Wow.
Kita-kits tayo doon mga kapis. And let's have fun. Yo mga kapis, naglalakad kami pupunta kami ng station. Ayun yung train, ayun. Doon kami sasakay. Yaon. Yeah. Bibili muna kami ng ticket. Bili tayo ticket, dalawa. Kasi si Chin merong may ganito siya art cards. Art cards. Yeah, dalawa. 375 isa.
Ba't isa lang?
Yun na Ticket. Nasa train na kami. Ayan mag-underground kami. Pupunta kami sa ilalim ng lupa.
Etcha building.
Yan na. Tagal ko lang hindi nag-train May mga 4 years siguro. 5 years dito, yung train na to.
RK yun. Clearview yung baba.
Yeah, diyan kami manonood sa loob niya. Yun, doon yun Tamang Yossi mga to Daming tao nakapila.
Got me wild, wild, got a
like to sing you a song if you'll have. To the best of my knowledge or something like that. I did not believe that it would end. Every 10 seconds to be praised. You're not even speaking to my friends. You know all my uncles in my head. 20 can a poem out and open your eye. We were looking forward to the rest of our life. You should keep my picture posted by your bedside. Now it's in the dresser window, and I'm rolling, rolling, rolling. We my legs like it's on its own. Tricky, and I'm trying to forget, but you probably take it too hard. Ladies and gentlemen, how the fuck we feeling tonight, Everton? Oh, I just got news in my ears, and I suppose there's lightning. Ladies and gentlemen, holy fuck. They're saying, okay, but do I? Ladies and gentlemen, so there's lightning apparently very close. So I guess they're kicking me off the stage. And I suppose it's a weather delay. We're gonna come back out here. But they're saying shelter in place, I guess, until they get the go ahead.
Take all personal belongings with you. You will be advised when it is safe to return to your seat. Thank you for your cooperation.
Wala, pasok daw muna. May thunderstorm.
À toute personnel de sécurité, veuillez commencer leur rassemblement.
All security personnel initiate assembly.
Initiate assembly now.
Ladies and gentlemen, your attention please. For your own safety and comfort, we need you to proceed to the concourse in a calm and orderly fashion.
Grabe oh, binagyo. Oh, ayan na, may nagagalit na. Binagyo, no? Bumagsak yung puno, oh.
Whoa! Take a picture, take a picture.
Bagsak.
Take a picture. I don't have my phone.
Bumagsak. Yung puno. Oo nga, no? Grabe, oh. Disaster na, no? Cancel yung na-cancel yung concert. Gawa ng biglang umulan, napakalakas.
Before, after.
Oo, no, storm na, no? Biglang nag-storm. Grabe, oh, daming Ay, nakapulis pa dyan, oh. Goods lang yan. Nakatatlong kanta naman ata eh. Goods na rin. May refund naman yan. Sheesh!
At least nakita natin si Cosmo mo.
Oo nga.
Grabe.
At least nakita, di ba?
Grabe naman ang
Hindi,
performance.
ano pa lang. Front act pa lang eh.
Mapanalo na eh.
Sulit na yung binayad namin eh. Front act pa lang. Malupit na yung nag-front act.
Magaling ang front
Oo.
up. Tapos nakaano tayo kay Posty.
Oo, malupit. Kaya ako, nililipad ang poste.
Is your lighter?
Grabe oh. Nililipad ang poste oh. Tumba na.
Ate, may disaster na.
Kaya.
Lighter ang hinahanap mo.
Guys, binagyo ang concert. That's it for the
3 songs.
That's it for today's video. Wala. Pero okay lang yan, mariripad naman daw. Nakatatlong kanta. Sulit na rin.
Si Posty.
Nakita na rin naman si Post Malone eh. Post Malone eh. Dexter Malone. Sige, bye guys. Peace.
Tutulog ko yan.
Puno train eh, oh. Puno train.
Sa car mo na lang mag-short. Chill muna tayo sa car niyo.
Hindi mo, ganun lang siya.
Kaya nga, pipin
Ski LRT na sa Pinas, no? MRT. Wow.
Oh my God.
Mga sardina, sayang ka. Nagkasya sa lata.